Welcome to the Pro Engineer software tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about the user interface of the Pro Engineer software. When we open our software, we have an interface like this. Here we have Internet Explorer window in which we can open the file of for ptc.com. We can close this model just simply on clicking on this cross. On the top we have options for like quick toolbar. The first option we have is new. We can select the new to create a new model part file or the assembly file. After that we have option for open. If we have any existing model which we have created earlier and want to open it again, so we have to select the open. Next we have open last sessions. Open last sessions usually shows the last models which we have created. Currently it is hidden because we have not created any part file in it. After that we have option for working directories. So working directory usually shows where we usually save our part file or the working directory. So I click on this. So it shows the location of the file saved by us. So usually the software automatically takes the C drive for the working directories. We can change the directories and click OK. Another option we have erase not displayed. This option is usually recommended to clicking on this erase not displayed because generally when we open a large number of files in the many tabs, so they are saved in the as a cache memory in the software. So to erase those memories, just clicking on this erase not displayed. Next we have options for the changing the display. Now to go to a new part file, clicking on this new, suppose I select this part and click OK. Now we have the user interface of the software. On this top we have the ribbon menu. In this ribbon menu we have options like model, analysis, annotation, render tools, etc. Below this we have like operations, get data, datums like datum plane axis. We have options for shapes to create the shape, then engineering changing in the shapes. Then we have option for surface modeling and editing and surfaces, and also component interface. In the left we have the model tree. Model tree usually shows the number of the steps or the tools which we use to create the model. It shows them step by step. Currently we have not created a model, so it is not showing any tools, but by default we have three datum planes in the software like right, top and front, which are showing here. Now another option we have on this is the application status bar. In this status bar we have options like refit, zooming, repaint or regenerate, display style, view manager, and also datum plane filter. We can change this location of this status bar. Just like going inside this status bar, right clicking on this, we can check options which we want. Also click on this location and we can select any one. Suppose I select show on bottom, so it is now showing on bottom. In the left bottom we have status bar. This status bar usually shows the status of our model. On the right side we have the selection filter. In the selection filter we can filter our selection in the model like feature, geometry, datums, coiled surfaces, annotations which we want to select. Now we have also the search tab here. In this find or search tab we can find the commands or also the different items in the model like any axes or planes which we want to search. On this top view we have the quick toolbar. In this quick toolbar we have options like new, open, save. Then we have undo and redo. The shortcut for undo is Ctrl plus Z and redo for Ctrl plus Y. We have option for regenerate, and we have option also for to switch to the models. When we create multiple models in multiple tabs, we can switch to different model by clicking on this switching and select the model. Now to change the properties, clicking on this file, go to options. The first option we have like environment. We can change the settings of our environment. We can select the working directories here. Then system display, system color, you can change the color like model display, entity display, whichever you want to change. We can change this. Selections, sketcher, assembly, data extension, sheet metal. Also we can change the quick access toolbar. In this toolbar we can add more toolbar. Just select the toolbar, clicking on this add. We can import or export the file by selecting the file. We have option for window setting, licensing. Usually it is always recommended to go to entity display and changes in this display and click apply. This usually activates the part modeling. So this is all about the user interface of the software.